In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable invites to your Discord server, so this way you can keep it private and no one else can join unless you approve it. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Just go to the name of your server and click on server settings. Now go to access and you will find the option to change the access of your server. So by default you will have it as invite only, but you can click apply to join. So this way, as you can see right here, people must submit an application and be approved to join. Now you can save the changes, and right here you can put different questions for this join application. So you can delete the pre-made ones and you can add custom questions if you want. Just put your question and save. And another thing you can do is click invites and click this option, so this way it will post all the invites for a specific time, which you can change right here. Save the changes and that's it. You can enable them back right here as well, and that's how you can stop the invites on your Discord server. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.